Hi and welcome to this video. Two quick things before we jump into today's topic. One, if you are enjoying the content in these videos, I invite you to hit that thumbs up as well as the subscribe button. Second thing, there are time codes or chapters in this video, so you can find them in the description, but they're also on the progress bar of the video. So feel free if you want to jump ahead to different sections. They're all segmented out for you. That's it. Let's jump into this video where we talk about 4 things you need to be aware of if you are going to DIY your service-based small business website. Let's go. Service-based business may be something like a massage therapy practice or a life coaching program or a private chef, just to name a few. Basically, you provide a service in return for someone's money. In creating a website for your business, this may be your way to show that your business is real and you're taking it serious. It may be a way for you to reach a wider audience and therefore potentially more clients. A website also acts as a hub of information for your business. It can give hours of when you're open, how someone can contact you, and your pricing. The following list is not exhaustive by any means. However, it is 4 key things that you don't want to overlook if you're going to DIY your own website. Let's get started. Scheduling system. Let me tell you about the time suck scheduling can be. When I started my massage therapy practice, I cannot tell you how many hours I spent communicating with clients. We would play phone tag or text tag to get them on the schedule or to reschedule them or to help them find the location of where I was at. It was a lot of time that I should have been spending in other areas of my business. This is where an online scheduling system is so helpful. It not only saves you time and energy within your business, but it also shows how professional your business is. There's a few different ways that you can incorporate an online schedule system on your website. One is to directly link to that scheduling system, so your client would go to that scheduling system's page. The other way is to actually embed the scheduler onto your website so that the client never actually leaves your website. 3 different software programs that I really like are Acuity Scheduling, Calendly, or Honeybook, and I've left links for all of those in the description. Listing your prices. So this one has some differing opinions behind it. Should you list your prices or not? I'm going to encourage you to list your prices. Most potential clients or customers are going to want to know how much they may have to spend before they put in a bunch of time or energy in reaching out or scheduling anything with you. If you offer highly customized services, think about if you can give a range for different services that you offer, or is there a way that you can package some of your services and put a price on that package? These are different ways that you can list different prices and help have transparency on your website. If you choose not to list your prices because you're afraid of maybe deterring potential clients because it may be expensive, or if you do offer something too customizable to really put a price on, testimonials and really well-written marketing copy is going to be imperative for you. I have linked an article from Hubspot in the description giving their 2 cents of why they think you should list your prices. Testimonials. This transitions nicely into the need for testimonials on your website. Testimonials for a service-based website is like product reviews for a product-based website. The main goal of your website is to convince the person looking at it to schedule a call, to book an appointment or be able to reach out with more information about what you're offering. The content that you provide, including the words, the images, the graphics, the video on your website, they all are going to showcase why you're an expert in what you do, how you're going to solve their problem, and why they can trust you above anyone else. But nothing is better than someone else vouching for you, and that's where testimonials come in. Testimonials will prove that you follow through on what you're saying on your website, or even that you've gone above or beyond. If you're brand new and you don't have any clients and you don't have any testimonials, what I recommend is incorporating it into a thank you email. You can provide a direct link to your Google My Business page or your Facebook page so that your client or customer can post directly there. Then you can take that and add it onto your website. Call to actions. Finally, create lots of opportunities for your potential clients to get a hold of you with call to actions or CTAs. Often these are going to show up as a button on your website that says call now, schedule now, book here. These call to actions should show up throughout your site, even multiple times on the same page. Never make it challenging for these potential clients or customers to reach out and get in touch with you. If you only put a way to contact you on your contact page hidden in the navigation panel, it's not going to work. As soon as someone visits your homepage, they should see a call to action. As they scroll down and read your marketing copy and read your testimonials and want to get in touch with you, put a call to action on the bottom of your page. After you list your products or services, call to action. On your About page, on your FAQ page, on any other page on your website, have at least one call to action. Once you've got their attention, the last thing you want is for them to feel discouraged because they can't figure out how to book your services or schedule a consultation or get in touch with you. Hiring out. Yes, I'm throwing this one in as a bonus. I always encourage DIY small business owners to recognize their strengths and their weaknesses. If building a website is not something you want to do, know how to do, or want to learn how to do, invest in someone else doing it for you. As a small business owner, you already wear multiple hats. You are the owner of your business. You may be the bookkeeper, you are the marketing director, you are the HR team and department, you are the sales department, you are email marketing. You have enough on your plate. You don't have to add web design. True, it is an investment in money and time to hire someone to do your website. I am here to say it is a worthwhile investment. Best thing to do is to build a relationship with this web designer so that you can go work on other parts of your business and let them help you so that you can launch this website and start getting clients and start making money. The great thing is if you are a DIYer, you can learn different things about the website after it's launched. You can get trained from your web designer how to do things on the back end once it's already launched. I always encourage small business owners to really figure out where the best place is to invest their efforts and where they should invest in other people's best efforts. Like I said at the beginning of this video, these 5 things, they're not an exhaustive list at all. However, they are very important parts of your website that is going to help your business succeed. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions or comments, please leave me a comment below, and I'll see you next time. Bye. Really well-written marketing copy. Really well-written marketing copy. Really well written marketing copy